Hey everybody, Renee here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to reset the maintenance light on a 2017 Toyota Highlander. Procedures will be similar for most Highlander models from 2014 to 2019, but be sure to know the specifics for your vehicle before getting started. If you've just changed your oil or had your oil changed, resetting the maintenance light will ensure you're alerted when it's time for your next oil change. Depending on your submodel and display, there are two possible procedures. Here's how to reset your oil change notification if you have a monochrome display using the trip meter. Use the display change button at the bottom of the gas gauge to switch the display trip meter to A while the engine is running. Turn the engine switch back to the lock position, or with the smart key, switch the engine to off. Now press and hold the display change button and turn the engine switch to the on position without starting the engine. Continue to press and hold the button until the trip meter displays zeros. If you have the multi-information or color display, here's what you'll do. Turn the ignition switch to on. Using the steering pad switch assembly, select Setting on the display. Select Scheduled Maintenance from the setting display and select Reset Data, Yes. A confirmation message will be displayed when the reset procedure has finished. And that's it! We hope this video has been helpful, but if you still have questions, we'd love for you to stop by a store, O'ReillyAuto.com, or contact us on social media. We'll see you again soon.